Hello viewers, have you ever had your Windows PC crash and just refuse to start? Well, Microsoft is rolling out a game changer feature in Windows 11 that might fix your PC automatically without needing a tech expert. In the first, if your PC stopped working after an update, installing a new driver or some software, getting it back online could be tricky. Millions of PCs even faced crash in 2024 that left users stranded. The usual recovery options were refusing and not very user friendly, especially if you are not tech savvy. Windows 11 is introducing two major improvements to make recovery easier. Number one, point in time restore. This is a superior reset option that lets you roll back your PC to a previous working state, fixing issues caused by update software or drivers. Number 2, cloud rebuild automated fix. Here are the really exciting part. When your PC crash and enters recovery mode, Windows 11 can now connect to the cloud and diagnostic data and automatically download the file it needed to fix itself. This new cloud rebuild capacity can repair a large portion of broken Windows without you touching anything. With these options, with Windows 11 aims to make your PC resilient. No more always calling a tech guy or struggling to fix your computer. Your system can help itself. These features are a big step forward in keeping PC running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.